fellow dancers. It is myself, talented Miss Laura, and by my side, always on every Sunday, we're here in Herndon, Virginia. We're going to share with you and hope you like and use the West Coast Swing Dance Weekends that we taught. This starts out as a tuck turn, okay, with a hammerlock. So sugar push here, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You can bring her in as a normal sugar tuck and raising her right hand. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It's a full turn to her right, raising her right hand. So just go in this direction. On the sugar push here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. You want to just bring her towards you, raising her right, which is with your left, and turning her a full turn to the right. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to face the camera, so you're going to see what I'm doing at the end of the 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. If you notice, I moved over to Laura's right because I want to give her a clear shot of the track for what's coming up. Okay, so we're going to add onto that 2 walks. You can add more if you want, as long as they're an even number. So 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, walk, walk. After the 2 walks, Laura's on her left. I'm on my right, still off the track to her right, I believe. So sugar push here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just keep it low. 1, 2. Okay? Now the next part. Kind of the most complicated part to this. And if you can't do this part right, the rest of the move kind of collapses, but that's why we're recording. So after the sugar push, and then they tuck in the 2 walks. Walk, walk. Laura's going to do a half turn to her left, and I have her right hand with her left hand with my right, and the other one here. What I'm going to do is transfer her right into my right, and let go of the other hand. So it's a triple step. Now it's kind of hard to do in that direction. That's why we're going to go this way. We're going to do it again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2. As she turns to her left, 3 and 4. So now I'm holding her right hand with my right hand, and I've come around to her side to pick her up. So look at it a little bit quicker. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what Laura does is she brings up her left arm up onto my right shoulder. It's really, from this point on, it's just a regular whip count. So then from there, 5, 6 is a pivot turn, 7 and 8. So sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And she does a full turn to the 7 and 8. You end up in a right to right. Okay. So let's do it this direction. So sugar push here, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you get in a right to right, we're just going to go the direction. You have a lot of options to do. Just do a head loop, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, or bring her past, 3 and 4, switch hands back. You have a lot of choices to do. We just did a head loop. So the whole thing again, sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. First into a hammerlock, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and hand changes, triple step, walk, walk, triple step, and then the little loop at the end. So the last time on the hand changes, because that's the key. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're going to stop on here after 2 walks. Walk, walk. As she turns left, take this hand, put it into her right hand. Triple step. That takes the hardest time to master, but once you get it, it's all after that gravy. Thank you, my dear.
Good gravy.
Good gravy. Gravy's always good. Thank you, guys. Hope you like that. It's the first time I've ever taught it before in all the years I've been dancing and teaching, so we hope you use it. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for a new video. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing.